Hi. So today we're going to have a look at application form and we're going to understand how we can create application form PDFs completely in automation. So as you can see, this is a simple application form template which I have created in this Google document, and we'll be using this Google document along with an application form database which I have created in Notion, and we'll create an automation system where we can generate a PDF file one by one for every record of this Notion database with the help of this template file. So essentially, we'll be like integrating this Google document template with this Notion database, and we'll create a PDF file one by one for each of this record of the database using the information from the database and this template file which we have over here. So how will it work? First of all, head over to pdfoutput.com. This is the website which will help us create the entire automation setup. Click on get started and simply choose one of the account from this list. And once you choose the account, just click on continue and make sure you enable this access, which is essential for the setting up of the automation process. So this must be enabled. Click on continue, and then you will land up on this page where you can start adding the Notion database and the document to start the automation setup. So click on add Notion database on the top and simply click on add Notion database button over here. It will take you to a new screen where you can add the database. So click on select pages and simply copy the database value that you have over here onto that particular field. So put that database value inside this field and it will show you the database. Click on this and now you can see that database has been added along with another database. Okay. Click on allow access. So the other database was already added by me beforehand. So I need to click on this drop down, select the database that you need, which is application form database in our case, and it will load all the values of the database and click on next. So next thing is we need to add the document. So simply copy this document value that you have over here and simply click on add Google Doc and put that document value inside this search box and just search for the document. So we have the application form template coming here. Click on this and click on select. So now we have the database is connected, the document is connected. The next thing is we need to map all the fields one by one in order to generate the PDF files. Okay. So first thing is we need the name of the person. So what I can do is I can search for name over here and you can see we have a full name. So just click to copy the value and just put it inside this document. So remove this entire part and simply control V or command V to paste it. So what we're doing is we are mapping the Notion properties on the right side to the Google document on the left side. Okay. So I'm just going to fetch all the properties one by one. So just click to copy the date of birth and I will just remove this part and I will control V or command V to paste it. Use a keyboard for this and I'll just get the gender. So I'll just map few elements, copy the gender and put it over here. Next is the phone number. So let's fetch the phone number from this field. So click to copy the phone number and put it inside this. After this, we have the email ID. So let's get the email ID of the person. So click to copy and paste it. So this is how you can quickly map. Simply copy and paste all the values that you need. Next is address. So I'll just click to copy and I'll paste it. Okay, so I'll stop here. I'm not going to map all the properties. You can obviously go ahead and map everything that you need. Let's only process these many fields of item. Okay, so once all the fields are mapped, click on this download PDF button and you can find different options like a range of rows or custom rows. I will go with exporting all the rows and or every row is selected. And in the PDF naming, so what you can do is I want to name the file as per the full name column over here. Okay, so I will just select full name from this drop down. So scroll down and you can see full name coming here. Click on this and click on start. So now it will automatically start generating the PDF files, mapping all the values from the database that we had onto the Google document. Okay, so let's wait as it is generating the files. And once it is generated, we can start to see the files one by one. So you can see all the three files have been created. Let's go to the download folder once. So we have Carol Davis. So we can see the name, the date of birth, the gender, the phone number, everything has been mapped, fetching the values from the database that we had over here. So this is for Carol Davis, everything has been mapped. Let's check Bob Williams. This is also correctly mapped. You can see all the fields have been created. And finally, we have Alice Johnson, which is also mapped. So basically, within seconds, we added a database, we added the document, and we mapped the fields, and we generated the PDFs for all the rows. Okay. So this is how easy and simple it is to add the database, document, and map the fields and generate the PDF file. So this is as simple as it can be. If you are in need of any help, just use this chat bubble at the bottom and send me a message. Or if you directly want to reach out to me, send me an email at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can assist you with all your queries for the same. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.